So I'm gonna have to bring the sprinkler over here. But I never ow, oh, why do I always do that? See, that's why I put it there. It's to dissuade people from going back where they don't belong, including myself. But things are getting really dry. Some of these get super dry because the sprinkler doesn't hit them when I put out here and I forget to check them. Like that little guy. They're done for. So yeah, I've got pots here. So everything is donation based, as far as like the pots and the plants. And eventually we'll hopefully have some extra produce. I've got microgreen kits, got fruit fly catchers, bunch of herbs, white strawberries, chives. Oh, see here. I mean, sometimes no matter how many times, like that guy's probably done for. That one's probably done for. Like some areas, the sprinkler just doesn't seem to hit. But other areas it hits too well. Oh no! Like, see, I'm killing all the tiger lilies. These are orange tiger lilies. But yeah, I'm horrible. Like, I got so much. If my health was only cooperative, that'd make things different. But it's not. And Grandma's getting older, so it's a lot harder to take care of everything. Otherwise, I should have signs up for the farm stand. I should, oh no, I'm sorry, little lamb. I should have signs up. This is where it's priced as March here. And I said 100, but it's just because like I was looking online and they're everywhere from $65 to like hundreds of dollars if they're painted up real nice. But these are in pretty decent condition for painting or making into stuff. Like this one I had made into a ashtray. This one's pot planter, I mean. So this was an art project I started as a kid and never finished. Mostly because my mom got mad because these were hers and I did not ask. I just started trying to do different textures and paint, and it looked pretty cool at the time. Would have been better if I could have finished it and sealed it. But especially if it doesn't sell, that one I might cover up and actually do something new. Although I feel like I should do that with the rust one, but then you never know. Like, people like that for decoration. That might be the one that somebody wants, so I'm kind of torn. And for $100, this is a steal, I think. But, you know, if you want to give us a different offer, I'll probably take it, as long as it's not ridiculously low. Kind of want to use it myself for a raised garden bed, but I don't have, like, the time to take on a new project. Or the resources right now. I need more resources, so that's why we're selling off the tidbits of the farm and my old business when we can. But yeah, it's like I said, it's donation based. It's, you know, if you're on a really tight budget, and everybody deserves access to plants for breathing good air in their home, or getting food, or providing habitat for insects and birds, and you know, just making the world a better place in general. So yeah, like, so if you're on some plume poppy, white lilac, so yeah, if you're on a tight budget, you know, we just ask that you tip, or, you know, you bartered, leave some goose eggs, or, you know, some beets, or whatever it is you have extra in your garden that you can part with, if you can't part with a couple bucks for a tip donation. And, you know, if you can afford stuff, you know, try to leave more if you can. Makes it easier for us to do this, and it also helps me pursue my art not just as a creative, but you know, as a therapy form. So anyway, I'll try to show some more of the farm today, since I've been really bad about that. It's been all about my art, but that's kind of like what I'm excited about now, and plus setting up a new space is always fun. So, but all right,